Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Fidelity National Financial to verify settlement instructions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable Fidelity National Financial to verify your settlement instructions, start by accessing the Fidelity National Financial website. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your username in the designated field. Input your password in the password field. Click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account Settings option. Look for a section labeled Settlement Instructions or Payment Preferences. Click on that section to proceed. You may see an option for Verify Settlement Instructions. Select that option to begin the verification process. Enter the necessary details for the settlement instructions you wish to verify. This may include bank account details, routing numbers, and any reference information. Double-check all information for accuracy before submitting. Once completed, submit the information for verification. Fidelity National Financial will review your submission. You should receive a confirmation notification once the verification is successful. If verification is not successful, carefully follow the prompts provided for corrections. Keep an eye on your email for any updates regarding your submission. Congratulations, you have now enabled Fidelity National Financial to verify your settlement instructions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.